Hello, this is Michelle from PaperStampInk, and I am excited to share with you guys today my pre-order from the new annual catalog that is being released June 4th. As a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, we get the opportunity to order select products prior to the catalog becoming available to everyone. So it's one of the great perks that we get, among other things. If you've ever thought about being a demonstrator, whether as a hobbyist, a discount shopper, or building a business, I sure would love to help you with that. And you can always email me at paperstampink@gmail.com or contact me through my website, and I will have a link to that in the description. So I am going to share with you. I did open it up, and that's about all that I did. So let me see. Got some lights glaring there. I hope this is still light enough for you guys to see things. So let's jump in here and share with you some of the items that I've purchased. Now there's a lot more coming out in the catalog. I could not purchase everything all at once, but I'm going to be enjoying sharing new products with you guys as we go. This is the new Floral Essence stamp set, and apparently my cat's excited about the unboxing too. He has to come in and give his 2 cents. So this is the Floral Essence stamp set. It's a photopolymer stamp set, and it comes with a coordinating punch. This 3-petal punch coordinates with this stamp. So I love the detailing in these flowers. I think they're very beautiful, and some nice sentiments. So that is one of the bundles that is available. And then another one of them that I purchased is the Free as a Bird bundle, and comes with this beautiful stamp set, great for coloring. If you like to color, no matter what medium you use, these little birds are just beautiful for that, as well as the flowers. And then this is the part, let's see if I can get in here, that I am really loving with this set as well. It's bundled with these great dies, and these dies, good grief, let's get them out of here. This is why I moved mine into into the DVD cases. Look at the fun stitching on that. These are double stitched, so that means you get a stitch line on the outside and the inside of your cut line, and I just love the shape. And then you've got this border piece here as well. But look at how many sizes you get in here. You've got 8 different sizes, and so these are going to be great for layering, for sentiments, and that is bundled with the Free as a Bird stamp set. Okay, I do have a couple things in here that are not new products, some rhinestones, oh, and some take your pick tools. I've got a couple of my team members who are qualifying as a Bronze Elite, and so they will get a little gift from me when they do that. I love to share gifts with my team members, and this was one of the circle punches that I didn't have yet, the Starburst punch there. So a couple of the circle punches are going away with the new catalog. I'm very sad about that because I love them, but if you want to get those, make sure you get them before they are discontinued, and you can go to, I will link a couple of videos that I have put out with some of the discontinuing items that you might want to consider purchasing. So take a gander at those. I have some of the new In Color ink pads. I do not have Pretty Posy. That one I am missing at this point. There was a quality control issue, so Stampin' Up! Doesn't want to put out anything that is not at the top quality level. So they're working that through, and hopefully we'll have those available here very soon. But in the meantime, I've got Rococo Rose, Terracotta Tile, Seedside Spray, and Pretty Peacock. Those are 4 of the new In Colors. Aren't those gorgeous? And I did pick up a couple of packs of the different In Colors as well, so of the cardstock. So I've got the Terracotta Tile again. I did pick up some Pineapple Punch. I was needing some more of that. We've got Pretty Peacock, have our Cocoa Rose. Let's see. The Seaside Spray, and I've got the, here we go. There's the Purple Posy. So those are our 5 new ink colors. Aren't those beautiful colors? Then I picked up some ribbons in the new ink colors. Look at the detail on those. The little trim and that burlap in the middle. Those are just beautiful. So I've got those in all of the new ink colors. They coordinate. So those are going to be fun to add to my projects. We've got some new sequins here. These are the woven threads sequins. And there's a stamp set and DSP that goes with those, but I think look at all the different colors you get in there, and they've got the iridescent look. So these are going to go with a lot of your papers, and you get a bunch in there. And I've got this beautiful trim. This is what it's called, woven threads trim, and I just like this very elegant kind of trim is what that makes me think of. All right. I did get some 12 by 12 of all of the ink colors. You can get a variety pack there. I don't know if you can see a little bit there. You get packs where you can purchase a little bit of each of the ink colors. The ink color, oops, ink color faceted dots, and I hope you can pick up all of the glimmer that you get with these, and there's the detailed cuts on those. So great to add accents to your cards. I'm going to get this box out of my way here. So a little bit more room to navigate there. So I can't show you the catalog yet, but here's the front of the catalog. Look at some of these beautiful projects, so you can see a little teaser of some of the other stamp sets that are going to be part of the new catalog just by looking there. Let's grab my take your pick tool to get in here. And these are not all of the designer series paper. I will have some more coming, but I got a few of them in here to share with you guys. Don't forget, when you get your DSP, Stampin' Up! Gives us all of the coordinating colors, so make sure you hold on to that and you know what cardstock is going to coordinate. We'll do a quick flip through of these. Remember, you get the back side is always a different pattern. Oh, I love this. Love those ropes there. Look at this very old-fashioned newspaper look. Oh, these stripes are amazing too. And then you get this floral leaf pattern. We've got our sailboats and another green stripe. This makes me think of those outdoor fabrics. Can't think of what those fabrics are called, but you know what I'm talking about, the kind that you have on your outdoor furniture. Somebody post below, make a comment, help me remember what those are called. Oh, look at these navigational tools, some more striping, all these little lighthouses, and then we've got another striped pattern on there. So, as I mentioned, I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and if you're interested in any products, either the new ones when they're available or current products, I would encourage you to step on over to my website where there's more inspirational videos and a link to my online store. I'd appreciate your business. It's what helps me to continue to bring these videos to you guys. Look at these pretty. This one is, sorry, I can't remember, Garden Lane Designer Series paper. So great for spring, summer cards. Look at that pretty trellis look there. Little, oh, that's just such a sweet, delicate little background. So, and oh, what a fun quilt look pattern there. This is very pretty. I love how one side's subtle and the other side's got a more vibrant pattern there. I think leaves and florals are great because they go with so many different themes, especially leaves. They can trend towards masculine or feminine cards. So there is the Garden Lane Designer Series paper. So Mosaic Mood. I don't know why I'm tearing those open. I do put these into different packages when I get them out, so it doesn't really matter if I rip that up, but I could probably be a little neater with this. So Mosaic Mood, this is a specialty paper, and you can hopefully see some of the glimmer in those papers there. Isn't that beautiful? And look at all the intricate detail, all the mosaic patterns on these birds here. And then the back side is does not have the shimmer on it. It has a more subtle pattern. I think this is probably one of my favorites so far that I've seen. I love the colors and these patterns in there. And then again, we've got our subtle background. Oh, look at these birds. These would be great for fussy cutting too. And again, we've got this side with the glimmer and the shimmer, and you can feel that when you run your hands over it. If you like to have some texture, look at these leaves. Oh goodness, I'm hoping I can get you a good view of the glimmer here. There we go. Maybe that's picking up a little bit better. Glimmer on that side, and these beautiful roses and butterflies that have the mosaic patterns on them. And then here we've got pink roses and butterflies with the shimmer on this, and this beautiful yellow muted background. Look at all the shine on this. This is the, I'm guessing, the terracotta tile. Pretty sure that's our new, oh, and I love this one too. So love that pattern. I love that kind of woven pattern that we get on there with the mosaics. So there is that one. Magnolia Lane. I'm going to go ahead and get in here. My cat has decided to take my paper piercing tool as a toy. We'll let him have that for now if it keeps him occupied. And this is the Magnolia Lane paper. And this has just got some beautiful paper. There's a coordinating stamp set with this. Look at those deep, dark colors, the contrasting patterns on there. Oh, that one's beautiful too. Look, I love these. So, more roses, more the striping, and these little tiny buds, the brown, and I love this one. This is very, very, very pretty. So, and then we're back to the same patterns there. This is the Bird Ballad, and another great one for fussy cutting. If you are not a fan of coloring, but you want the birds, here you go. Somebody's done all the work for you, and you just have to fussy cut them out. And this is called, let's see, yeah, Bird Ballad Designer Series paper. So we've got our birds on one side and then our subtle pattern on the other. Oh, look at all the, I wish I knew what different types of birds are. They're so beautiful. God has just made so many pretty color combinations and florals and animals, and look at all these cheerful birds. I am so ready for spring, much less summer, to come here. We've had a long, hard winter and spring, but it's finally coming. Oh, this is cute. The keys, and then I love these little bright clusters of flowers. They're just so cheerful. The feathers, such fun. All these wonderful colors. And then we've got these bird cages on the background of that. Have these little blossoms. I'm not sure what kind of, they kind of make me think of cherry blossom trees or like little dogwood trees. I'm not sure what kind of trees those are supposed to be, but very delicate little flowers. And then look at these birds on there. More birds. And then we've got some more birds and some yellow. I'm not sure what this pattern is supposed to be. It almost makes me think of like little bird footprints, but I don't know if that's what it's supposed to be, but that's what it makes me think of. And then our last paper pack that I have here, and I think this is probably going to be one you're going to see a lot of from me. I just think these colors and patterns are gorgeous. This and the Mosaic Madness are probably going to be some of my favorites. This is called Woven Threads, and she's got a lot of very subtle, great textural background on the opposite side of these, but I just love the kind of faded look where they're almost worn, kind of where they've been, look like they've been aged, scrubbed away on the patterns. And here's another nice subtle, but I gotta say I love these diamonds. Love that diamond pattern there. And here's one with the new purple posy color, and oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty on the background there? And love these medallions. And then we've got our tone on tone paper there, and then we've got some large medallions and some more of those diamond patterns that I like. So these are going to be some great background papers. I hope that you found this interesting, and I hope that you are inspired by the projects I create. I'm looking forward to sharing these paper shares with you guys. Again, this is only a sampling of all the papers that are available out there. There's many more to come. So if you're interested in those, stay tuned. Make sure you've subscribed and ring that bell so you get a notification when I produce those. It's a great way to get a little bit of a lot of papers, and I'm going to give you some ideas and some inspiration projects as well, so you have something that you can make with these as soon as you get your items in the mail. So have a great day, and until I see you again, make sure that you grab your paper Stampin' Ink and do something creative.